We begin news this evening with a primetime news update. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security says it is significantly accelerating recovery efforts under the government's restoration of owner-occupants family shelters R.O.O.F.S program in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Now, this follows a TVJ news report yesterday which highlighted several hurricane victims who were being turned away empty-handed in Western Jamaica. Romardo Lyons has our report.
Following public outcry on Wednesday, there's a promise of an improvement of the distribution system. In a release Wednesday, Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says, quote, "We're committed to strengthening our systems and operations to meet the growing demand and will continue working to ensure that as many families as possible receive the support they need to rebuild." End quote. The ministry assured that funds are not exhausted and disbursements are accelerating as the expanded phase is rolled out nationwide. It says to date, approximately $8.25 billion has been dispersed, representing a major scale-up of support, but the opposition has slammed the program. In a release, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, Shadow Minister for Social Protection and Social Transformation, described it as a failure of compassion.
The government's R.O.O.F.S program was meant to provide up to $500,000 in assistance for hurricane damage. Instead, what we are seeing is chaos in Western Jamaica. Families from St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, and places like Westmoreland are making 3 and 4 trips to Montego Bay.
Dr. Brown-Burke says some people have resorted to sleeping on site for days just for a chance to access funds.
There are no decentralized centers, so people are depleting their limited resources to reach a single location. I am therefore calling on the minister to act immediately, to return to the drawing board, deploy mobile teams, establish parish-based centers, and use the direct bank or post office transfers.
In the meantime, the ministry says some challenges experienced at collection points have been linked to beneficiaries arriving outside established operating hours, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., as well as the current limitation in the number of locations, facilitating the $75,000 cash grant, which is designed to provide flexibility for urgent repair needs. The minister said he has met with the service provider and corrective measures are already underway. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.